report. This report mainly covers our final design and our overall designing process.
At a remote part of the world, a disaster had struck. Relief medication supplies are urgently needed in the disaster zone where road access has been completely destroyed. Our objective is to design and build a UAV when disaster strikes in remote parts of the world. It is the most efficient and the best option, and it also reduces the risk of human danger.
This is our system requirements. This is our redesign from our previous PDR.
The reason that we had to redesign from the PDR was that the old design was hard to fabricate. The design had the presence of a weak member, which was the linkage of the wings to the tail section, and there was no grip to hold on to for the launching phase, and they had a complicated servo linkage.
This is our finalized design.
Our plane is called the Dracula because of its coffin-like fuselage, and these are the parts of the plane.
For our features, we have a low wing for high maneuverability, a straight wing, a diamond-shaped fuselage which is an improvised version of a normal fuselage, a propeller forward design, and an electronics bay within the fuselage for increased accessibility. For the structure, we have foam enhanced with wood for the wings, the mounting of propeller with ice cream sticks, chamber of the wing is achieved with packing tape, and an aerodynamic shape of the fuselage.
For the motion of the plane, the motor can be shifted around to change the center of gravity. Equilibrium flight provides natural stability for the plane. We also make use of the natural stability to our advantage because it will help the aircraft remain stable during flight and not dive down after takeoff. For the power of the plane, we are using the propeller, the battery, and the motor. For control, we are using electronics within the fuselage, ailerons and elevators controlled by servos through radio control. This is the technical drawings of our plane. On the left side is for the tail, and the middle and the right side is for the fuselage.
This is the second part of the technical drawings. On the left we have the tail, on the right we have the wing and the fuselage. The planning of resources.
For our parts to purchase, we have the X-Acto knife, glue gun, velcro, ice cream sticks, dowel rod, galvanized steel wires, and styrofoam. For our parts to fabricate, we have the fuselage, wings, tail, and fully functional electronics. For the fabrication techniques, we are using wire cutting, knife cutting, glue gun, taping the flight controls, screwing, and velcro. The materials for fabrication include styrofoam, ice cream sticks, dowel rod, galvanized steel wire, and lastly coffee straws. The components include motor, the ESC, propeller, servo, and battery.
With our aerial vehicle design, medication supplies and resources can reach into the deep side of disaster region more efficiently. Thank you for your attention.